I really wish I had known this before I migrated my email newsletter to ConvertKit, because I could have saved time and avoided a lot of headaches. So at the beginning of this year, I decided I wanted to move one of my email newsletters to ConvertKit. But moving an email list to a new platform is a pain in the butt. Not only do you need to move the subscribers, but also you need to think about the branding, tags, forms, email templates, and automations, and so on. I get just stressed just by thinking about it. Well, in the end, I got it done, but a few weeks later, I found out that I could have just avoided all this hassle and procrastination by using ConvertKit's free migration service. Hello Internet people, my name is Robert and I help creators with the tech side of their business. And this video is sponsored by ConvertKit. Now, I've covered ConvertKit for years before their team contacted me to do this video, and I just genuinely think it's a good email marketing tool, which I'm using myself as well. Now, the great thing about this is that anyone can take advantage of this migration service and it's totally free, but there are differences depending on your email list size. Now, if you're a creator with over 5,000 subscribers, in that case, your ConvertKit's team takes care of pretty much everything. Not only moving your subscribers over, they'll also move your tags, segments, forms, landing pages, email templates, and even your automation. And you know what's the best part? You don't start paying until everything is migrated over, so no money wasted while you're in between two platforms. And what's unique, it's not automated process, so you actually get your own ConvertKit migration expert who is there to help you and make sure that the migration goes as smoothly as possible. So first, you submit a migration request, and then you get access to the portal where you can follow and communicate with the ConvertKit's team. Then you'll discuss with the migration expert the current setup, your goals and challenges with, just any challenges you're facing. And this is where also the migration expert can help you to streamline the process and maybe suggest something new to add. And what's cool also is that ConvertKit does a deliverability audit for your list. This way you can clean up your list during the migration. So basically, during email list cleaning, you remove inactive and bounced emails from your list, which will save you money since you're paying per subscriber anyway. And if you have a bigger list, they will also make a plan to warm up your domain to either improve your email deliverability or ensure your emails don't take a hit. Because if you have a big list and you just start sending thousands of emails from a new platform, email clients like Gmail and Outlook might go like, wait a minute, this email didn't used to come from here. What's going on here? This seems like it's a spam or something. That's why it's important to start by sending emails in smaller batches and then increase the amount over time. So once ConvertKit kind of moved everything over, you're gonna have a walkthrough video to get you up to speed on your ConvertKit account. So yeah, they'll just show you around where everything is and how they're called, because there are differences between platforms, how they call certain things. Although on the other hand, if you have less than 5,000 subscribers, don't worry, you're not left out. They'll still help you move your subscriber list and your tags and segments. That already saves some time. Honestly, I wish they would include at least, a few forms for the smaller creators as well, because forms are the most annoying to set up anyway, but you can migrate without them. For example, my list is under 5,000, so I think that would have been a nice touch from them as well. Now, you might be wondering, how long does all of this take? Well, every migration is slightly different, but generally it takes about 7 to 10 business days. But this depends on how complicated your setup is. This means you should ideally plan at least a month before a big launch or something. This way, everything is warmed up and ready to go when you have that launch. But while the migration is still in process, I would just recommend using your current platform, your old platform, to stay in touch with your audience. It's just easier to keep them separate from the migration. Otherwise, it just might get really messy. And then once the migration is over, your email is warmed up and you just need to disable all emails and automations at your old platform and then copy the ConvertKit forms to your website and start sending all emails from ConvertKit. So if you're planning to move to ConvertKit, definitely check out this service and save yourself the stress and headaches I went through. And in case you haven't signed up with them yet, then you can use my link in the video description down below, and with that you get 14-day free trial, so you can get a feel for how the platform works and you can try it out without any risk. Now you know about the migration service, but without growing your newsletter, it will be hard to increase your revenue from it as well. That's why you should watch this video next, where I'll show you another ConvertKit feature that will help you grow your email newsletter subscribers without sending any new emails.